3 questions you want to ask credit repair companies before you sign up with them. Question number 3, you want to ask them, what can they help you with after your credit is complete? So really, when people's credit is finished, they don't really have to go anywhere else. So we don't personally have the car dealership, but I have a ton of people who own car dealerships or who work in car dealerships who can help you to get the type of car you're looking for. Or I'm not a realtor, I do have a real estate company, but we have realtors who can help you to find the house that you want to purchase. We have lenders who can talk to you on the phone, get you pre-approved and see what kind of house you can get. And we also have the funding company. So if you have a business and you want to get funding for your business, we can help you to get business credit cards, lines of credit, loans. If you want passive income, we have passive income opportunities. So really, you want to ask them what else do they offer? Because if they do good service, you're going to want to work with them even further. And if they don't have other services, to me, that's a red flag. Because it seems to me, just from my perspective, that you might not ever think about me finishing my credit. That's why you don't have anything else for me to do after my credit is fixed. Because you don't think that I'm ever going to finish it in the first place.